In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from earn to spot in the Binance app. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to move your funds quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to navigate transfers within Binance can help you manage your investments better. Now, let's dive right into the processes. First, you'll want to open up your Binance app and log in with your credentials. It's always important to ensure you're logging into the correct account with a secure password. For those who haven't logged in before, you might be prompted for two-factor authentication, which is a good additional layer of security for your account. Once you're on the Binance interface, look for the icon or button labeled More. This can usually be found either on the bottom menu or the Services menu, depending on the version of your app. Tapping on More will open up a myriad of options from trading to managing your funds. In this list, find and select Earn. This section holds all the crypto investment products that you might have been participating in, including locked and flexible options. The next thing you'll do is tap on either Redeem or Transfer. Your terminology might differ slightly based on whether Binance has updated their app recently, but don't worry, the function remains the same. This choice determines whether you'll be redeeming assets from flexible savings or transferring them directly from a locked product. Once you've made that choice, you need to specify the product you're dealing with. Binance offers different earning options like locked or flexible savings. Choose the one relevant to your funds. For those unsure, flexible options usually offer more liquidity, while locked options might offer higher returns for the term of lockup but are less flexible in withdrawal terms. You'll then see a list of assets you've invested in under that product category. Select your desired asset by tapping on the radio button beside it. A helpful tip here is to double check that you're selecting the right coin if you have multiple investments, as this will ensure that the correct funds are being transferred. After selecting your assets, tap Confirm. This will initiate the transfer process. It's worth noting that some transfers might take a little longer depending on network congestion or the amount being transferred. Finally, be patient. Your funds should appear in your spot wallet shortly after the transaction is processed. If there's a delay and your funds don't show up after a substantial period, you may want to check your transaction history within the app to ensure everything was executed correctly, or reach out to Binance support for assistance. And there you have it, you've successfully transferred your funds from Earn to Spot within the Binance app. This process not only aids in better management of your portfolios, but also maximizes your trading and investment capabilities within the Binance ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore our other tutorials.